Alright y'all, today is a big day. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so glad that you could join me for a new upload. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click my face in the right hand corner and subscribe to my channel now. If you are not new to my channel, thank you so much for coming back and consistently giving me those views. I really love and appreciate all of my subscribers, so make sure that you are also subscribed by clicking my face in the right hand corner. Let's hop into this video though. I'm so excited for you all to know like what I've been working on for so long now. First of all, let me introduce you real quick. So today is August 9th, 2020, and I will be launching my first small business, my first of many, honestly, because it's gonna be so many after this, called Sunkissed Body Care. So Sunkissed Body Care is a natural, homemade, and Black-owned beauty brand that I'm coming out with. Some things that I'll be selling and I'll be showing you guys throughout this video is just a gift basket with all of my products in it. Body butter, car spray, lip balm, lip scrub, body scrubs, gift cards, and more. And I'm so excited to introduce it to you guys today. I'm gonna really just be walking through every product one by one and just telling you guys what's in it, what kind of went through my head when I was making it, and like why I decided to come up with the brand in general. So just my process of, you know, trying to figure out my own skincare journey and figuring out what works for me. I really knew that over-the-counter lotions or lotions that were in the stores on the shelves just didn't work for me. Like 10 out of 10, more than likely, these lotions, butters, scrubs just weren't fit for my skin, my complexion, my issues. So I've suffered a lot with acne and acne on my chest as well throughout my life, and that just led me to, you know, trying to create natural body products. It started from like, okay, so it's a body product. Like, what body products work for me? And I figured out through that mango butter, grapeseed oil, what are some other good oils? Sweet almond oil. I figured out that these are some different ingredients that work for me, and I decided to incorporate these into my products. So my family also has a history of like dry skin. My brother has eczema. My whole family probably has dry skin, and we all suffered with that same issue of having to buy lotion, but lotion not working for us. So that was my whole reason of creating the body butter, and the body scrub was just another way to like moisturize your skin. So I haven't packaged anything yet. Everything is empty. The only thing that I have ready are the smaller sizes, and this is for the giveaway that I'm doing that's in today. So I'm giving away 7 free gift baskets. This is the body scrub. So in the body scrub, there are a lot of different great items in here. I really just wanted to focus on, you know, creating that last step in your process so that your skin can really get a feel for that hydration, that moisture, and you know what it needs in its life. So for me, body scrubs have always helped me with like exfoliating, but it's hard to find a body scrub that exfoliates and also moisturizes as well. So this is the Sunkissed Moisturizing Body Scrub. It's handmade and it's a moisturizing body scrub. It's made with brown sugar, white sugar, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and a blend of essential oils. It comes in 5 different scents. So Hot Girl Summer, Lavender Tea Tree, Mint, Sweet Dreams, and Vanilla Rose. So there are 10 of each of the scents available on my website right now, so go ahead and check that out. So the body butter is in a cylinder, and this is the body scrub, which is more in a square. This is like the conventional body scrub that you guys see. They don't have labels on them yet. Labels are coming, business cards are coming, thank you cards are coming. It's gonna be great, y'all. For the body butter, this is the size that I made myself. For the gift baskets, they come in a 4-ounce container. So this goes really well with the body butter, with the body scrub. So this would be the step after using the body scrub. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it and how it looks after applying the body scrub. So this is handmade as well. All of my products are handmade. This is the moisturizing body butter. It's called the Better Than Lotion body butter. It has mango butter, shea butter, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, lemongrass oil, and eucalyptus oil. You can also choose to get it unscented, but that's something that you would have to work with me or email me about so we can get that worked out for you. So this is the Luscious Lip Scrub. It is super good on the lips. It smells like peppermint, so you're gonna love it. I'm not even gonna lie to you, you're gonna love it. It's handmade, it's moisturizing, it's also lip scrub. It's made with brown sugar, grapeseed oil, and peppermint oil, and that's where that peppermint scent, that freshness is gonna come in, and also it's gonna free your airways. So just the way to apply this, you wanna apply this on your lips with your finger. So just scoop a little bit in your finger and apply it on your lips in circular motions, but be sure not to do it too rough so that you're exfoliating your skin, but you're not, you know, trying to, you know, break off your skin barrier. Like, we just want to get rid of the dead skin that's on top, and I'll show you guys that too. So let that scrub absorb into your lips by leaving it on for a minute or so, and then just wash it off. It's also edible, so if you get a little bit in your mouth, don't worry, it's just sugar and oils for cooking, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is the lip balm. The lip balm is made with beeswax, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and peppermint essential oil. So what you're just gonna do is just swirl your finger around in there, dab it on your lips, and go on about your business. And this is typically used with the lip scrub. So after you use the lip scrub, you want to go ahead and go in with that lip balm so you can get that moisture in and make sure you're moisturized for the rest of the day. So I did mention the gift basket a little earlier. This is the typical look of the gift basket. So this is the product that I'm giving away, and you can buy it for $40 online. I didn't go through the prices of everything. The body scrub, let me go through the prices. So the body scrub is $15, but you can get 20% off with the coupon that I'm going to throw in the link in my bio. So go ahead and do that. The lip scrub is going to be $10, and the lip balm is going to be $8. So that's going to be an $18 combo. For the body butter, that is also going to be $15. Like I said, they come in these 16-ounce containers, so you do get about a month or two worth of products. So it is more on the pricier end, but you get that bang for your buck. You get quality products. It's not like I'm just trying to get y'all money. Like, these are really good quality products. Other than that, the gift basket, like I said, is $40. It comes with the body scrub, the body butter, the lip scrub, the lip balm, the card set. And for the gift baskets that I'm sending out to people now, for the giveaway, it comes with a candle, so it's pretty cute. It just has this wrapping around it. The products are on the bottom, so you'll see those in there towards the bottom, and then it's just going to be shrink wrapped, so you know, it can be cute and it can feel like I'm gift giving, because I really love giving people gifts. If you haven't already seen my gift wrapping video, go ahead and check that out. But you can just see on my face, I just love gift giving. I love giving back to other people. I love doing things for my people, so you know, doing that makes me happy. But in the gift basket, you get this 4-ounce container of the moisturizing body scrub and the moisturizing Better Than Lotion body butter, and those are coming in this container. You get the 1/2 ounce of the Luscious Scrub, the 1/2 ounce of the lip balm, which is the tube I was telling you guys about, and the 1-ounce container of the Oh So Fresh car scent. So pretty much you get everything that I offer. Other than that, some other things that are on my product that are on my page are gift cards. So if you have somebody but you really don't know what they like, you can buy a Sunkissed Body gift card and you can send that to that individual and they can just purchase whatever they want on my website. That's really everything. That's really all the products that I had to share for you guys. I had to quickly get this up and uploaded because it is Sunday at 10:48 a.m. Yeah, but go ahead and shop Sunkissed Body. I'm so excited for you guys to get these products. Like, these are made for you. If you look like me, these are made for you. Like, there are products in the store. If you can relate that to the being products in the store that you really can't use and feel confident in the fact that it's going to leave your body moisturized on a daily basis all day, you need to go ahead and get you some Sunkissed Body, baby. Like this is going to change your life. This is going to change your whole routine. It's going to change your life. I'm so excited for you guys to try it, but without further ado, like, go ahead and check out my website. It is live now for early access, so go ahead and buy everything that your heart desires. I appreciate all the love and support, and I cannot wait for you all to receive your products. Like, I'm so excited. Like, well, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video today. I'm going to go ahead and edit and upload this video so I can get this up for you guys in time for the launch. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've gotten on the body care brand, Sunkissed Body Care, on Instagram. I appreciate all the love I've gotten on my YouTube channel, all the love I've gotten on my LinkedIn page. Like, I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate all the love that you guys have been giving me and all the support. And I just hope that you guys can continue to support me. And, you know, if you find anything that you like about these products, please share at the page at Sunkissed Body Care. I'm reposting anything. Like, if you say anything about the product, I'm reposting it. I'm going to be able to, like, share that out, because I really appreciate when people share my page and share what I'm doing, because that means the world to me. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, it's more than money. It's more than money to me. It's about helping other people. It's about, you know, encountering those same problems that other people have been dealing with that I've also faced, and, you know, just being able to pave the way for other people so they don't have to go out and try the Niveas and try the derma whatevers and the Jergens that don't really work for their skin, but they can come out and get some shea butter and mango butter and essential oils and carrier oils that really penetrate the skin and, you know, provide you with that extra hydration. So I'm gonna stop talking. This was so fun. I cannot wait for you guys to receive the products. Yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends if they're interested in body care products. I'm pretty sure everybody is, because everybody got a body. So go ahead and share that with anybody that you can. Please comment down below what your favorite product of the launch is, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully on sunkissedbodycare.com. Shop Sunkissed Body Care now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.